In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to reset the root password on your RackNerd VPS. Why might you want to do that? Well, if you've lost your root password or if you just want to reset it for security reasons, we're about to show you how to do that. And this is not to be confused with an OS reinstallation, which we will cover in another video tutorial, and I'll leave a link to that in the description down below this video in case you're interested in that. Just to clarify, a root password reset does not reset or modify your data, it only resets your password. On the other hand, a reinstall gives you a fresh start by wiping all that data on your server and setting up a new OS of your choice. So let's dive into my screen here and let's get started on how to reset your VPS root password. The first step is going to be logging into the SolusVM control panel located at nerdvm.racknerd.com. Keep in mind, the login details for this are different from your RackNerd client area. So if you don't know the credentials for SolusVM, go to your RackNerd client area, click on the View Email Log button, and then click on KVM VPS login information. That is the email you want to find. Scroll down to the highlighted green section where you will find your SolusVM login details. If the credentials listed there don't work, you can request a password reset based on the username mentioned here. Just make sure the username begins with VM user. Once logged in, select the VPS you are working on by clicking Manage next to it. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page. Among the different tab options, click the root/admin password tab. Here, click on the Change button. You'll be asked if you are sure you want to reset the password. Go ahead and press Yes. Now don't close your web browser just yet. This process can take a minute or two. However, pay close attention to the page after you click Yes, because as soon as the process finishes, you will see your new root password displayed there. Go ahead and copy this password and save it somewhere handy, like a notepad on your computer. You'll need this new root password to connect to your VPS in a minute. Once we've waited a few moments, the screen will display a message saying success. At this point, you should now be able to connect to your server via SSH using the new root password provided. In some cases, it may be helpful to wait an extra minute or two before attempting to connect just to make sure that your server has fully booted up. Now, using your favorite SSH software like Putty or Bitvice, log in with the username root in all lowercase letters and then use that password that we saved earlier. And there you have it, folks. Congratulations, you have now successfully reset the root password of your RackNerd VPS. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this tutorial on how to reset your RackNerd VPS root password using the SolusVM control panel to be super helpful. If you have any questions, or if you're still having trouble accessing your VPS, please feel free to contact our support. Open a ticket with us. It is 24/7 support, and our team would be more than happy to help you out.